Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy UnifAI or UAI token on Binance Alpha. As you know, UAI just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So first, you can open your Binance apps, then go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search UAI for UnifAI, and then you can go to Alpha tab here and you will find UAI here. You can click it, and as you can see, this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, I think it's good, and there are some opportunities, but once again, this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is really good. It's 60 millions. It's really good, and you can also check their website and their social media. Also, you can also check their audit here. You can read it, and then if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this. It's up to you, and then the amount here, and then just click buy. Also, you can choose instant here. You can swap your USDT or other token to UAI. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.